Hi again. Hi everyone. Welcome back with the last Sudoku in this additional of today's newspaper on Friday, June the 12th, 2020. This last Sudoku is a Tectonic, a.k.a. Suguru. So let's get started. And the first thing is, can you see a single box? Because the single box is always the one. Here we see a single box, so this should be a one. Do we have a dual box? Yes, dual box should be the one and the two. I cannot fill this yet. I need to mark them. One and a two. We have no more single box or dual boxes. How about these two numbers are left in this area? Should be the 2 and the 4. 2 and a 4. We have a 5 here. That means these three boxes surround the 5. Cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here or could be there. We have here a 1. That means these two boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here or could be there. We have a 5 here, so these two boxes cannot be a 5, so one box left for the 5 should be there. We have here 5 or there 5, so these three boxes cannot be a 5. One box left for the 5 should be there. These two boxes are reserved for the 1 and the 4 in this area. I marked them, 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. Let me see. These two boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here or could be there. These two boxes cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here or could be there. We have a 4 here. That means these two boxes cannot be a 4. One box left for the 4 should be there. We have a 1 here. That means these three boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. One box left for the 1 should be there. We have a 3 here, so this box cannot be a 3. The 3 could be here or could be there. We have a 5 here. That means these three boxes cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here or could be there. I marked them, the 5. One, the 2 cannot be. We have a 3 here. That means these three boxes cannot be a 3. One box left for the 3 should be there. We have a 2 here. That means these two boxes cannot be a 2. So one box left for the 2 should be there. We have the 1 and the 4 left. This cannot be a 1. We have a 1 there, so the 1 should be here. And the 4 goes there. We have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4. This should be the 4, and this should be the 1. We have a 4 here, so these two boxes cannot be a 4. One box left for the 4 should be here. The 2 and the 3 are missing. We have a 2 here, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. And now, Okay. Let me see. We have a 1 here, so this box cannot be a 1. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here or could be there. I see here we have a 1 in one of those two boxes. If I place the 1 here, then I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So the 1 cannot be here. The 1 should be there. Alright. Then we have a 3. 4 should be here. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. This box could be a 4, could be a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5. Same like here. 1, 2. No. We have a 5 here. What's the matter with me? This is a 5, so this box cannot be a 5. These 3 cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. This box should be a 4. It cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3. Should be a 4, cannot be a 5. So this should be a 4. So now 3 numbers left. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. This box cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here or could be there. How about the 5? These two boxes cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be here. This box cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 1 number left should be the 2. These two boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. The 1 and the 3 are left as a pair. Alright. This box cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here or could be there. This box cannot be a 4, so as a pair, the 4 and the 2 are going there. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 4 and 2. This box cannot be a 2. Why not? I need a 2 in one of those 4 boxes. This box cannot be a 2. If I place the 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 3 boxes. So it should be a 4. And this should be a 2. That means these 3 boxes cannot be a 4. 1 box left for the 4 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. Here cannot be a 1. So 1 should be here. 1, 2. This should be a 3. 3. That means these 2 boxes cannot be a 3. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. This box cannot be a 1. So the 1 should be here. And the 2 are left for this box. Then these 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. This box cannot be a 1, so the 1 should be here. 1 box left should be the 3. That means the 3, these 4 boxes cannot be a 3. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. This box cannot be 4, so the 4 goes in one of those. No. I see here 4, so no 4 there. Therefore, no 4 there. The only box for the 4 should be there. 1 box left for the 5 should be here, and this should be a 2. Then these 2 boxes cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3, so one of these 2 boxes could be a 3. And these 3 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here or could be there. This box cannot be a 1, that box cannot be a 1, and this box cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here or could be there. 1, 2, 3. I think this box should be a 1. because it cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. So this should be at the 1. Yes. Okay. 2, 2. 2. 1, 2. This box could be 2 and a 4. 2 and a 4. 2 and a 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Let's see. 2 boxes left in this area. The 1 and the 2. 1 and the 2. Okay. 1 and the 3. Here. This box cannot be a 1. Why not? If it's a 1, then these 3 boxes cannot be a 1. We have a 1 over there. That means these 2 boxes cannot be a 1. I need a 1 in one of those 5 boxes. So this cannot be a 1. This should be a 2. And this should be a 1. So these 2 boxes, 3 boxes cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here or could be there. That means this box cannot be a 2. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So this should be a 1 and this should be a 2. That means we have a 1 here. These 4 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Here we have a 1. So this cannot be a 1. This should be the 3. And this should be a 1. These 2 boxes. No. This box, I think, cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, should be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yeah, this should be a 3. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5. In this box, 4 or 5. Let me see. We have a 1 here. All right. 1, 2, 4 or 5. I marked them 4 or 5. Okay. 2, 4, 5. 2. Yeah, this box cannot be a 2. Why not? Otherwise, I cannot fill any of these 2 boxes with the 2. I need a 2 here. So this should be a 4. This should be a 2. That means these 2 boxes cannot be a 2. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. This box cannot be a 4. This should be the 4 and this should be the 5. We have a 4 here and we have a 3 here. That means these 2 boxes cannot be the 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4 goes there. That means the 2, these are the pairs. 2 cannot be here. 2 should be there. And the 5 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So the 2 goes here or there. I think this box should be a 5. Because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4. So it should be the 5. The 2. This box cannot be a 4. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So it should be a 2. I need a 4 there. 2, alright. 4 and 3. We have a 5 here. This box could be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, could be a 4, cannot be a 5. So it's a 1 or a 4. 2, 1, 4. Suppose I need to know what number this is. Could be a 1, could be a 2, cannot be a 3, we have a 3 here, cannot be a 4, otherwise I need a 4 in one of those, the 3 boxes, and cannot be a 5, we have a 5 there, so it's the 1 or the 2. Okay, so 1, 2, the 5 could be everywhere, the 3 and the 4. Okay, so it could be here the 1 and there the 2. Okay, the 2 and the 4 and the 1 could be here. Okay, 4 and the 3. How about this number? 1, 2, 4 or 3 or 5, and this number could be a 3, could be a 4, could be a 5. Wow. This number could be 3, 4 or 5. Yeah. Okay, how about this number 4? Can this be a 4 here? Can this be a 5 here? No. Oh, wait, we have a 4 here. That means here cannot be a 4. Why not? Or therefore, otherwise I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes, so the 4 cannot be. The 4 is only this place. This should be the 4. That means these 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. We have a 4 here, so this should be the 3. And this should be the 4. 2 numbers left. 1, 2, the 3 and the 5. We have a 3 and no 3 there. 3 should be there. The 5 goes there. The 1 and the 2 are left. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 1 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Oh, right. Great Sudoku, great Sudoku. Need to have time. Need some time to think about this problem. But I figured out which number in which a box. So, you like this Tectonic? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you like or if you want, and hit that bell button if you want to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. You will be notified by YouTube. Alright, I will see you tomorrow on Saturday. I do not know in the Saturday paper if there's will be an additional with extra Sudokus. We will see, because the last 2 Saturdays there was no additional with extra Sudokus. So thank you for watching this episode, and see you next time, and keep on puzzling. Bye bye.